Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Today we are going to explore how to create and use pivot tables in Excel. Pivot tables are incredibly powerful for summarizing and analyzing data. Let's get started. Here, we have a table of Apple sales over the past 3 years. The data includes the month, the sales region, and the number of apples sold. To create a pivot table, first, select the range of data you want to analyze. In this case, we will select the entire table. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear. Ensure that the correct range is selected and choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. We will create it in a new worksheet. Then click OK. You will see a blank pivot table and the pivot table fields pane on the right side of the screen. This is where you can configure your pivot table. To start building our pivot table, let's drag the month field to the rows area and region field to the columns area. Next, drag the year 1 cells, year 2 cells, and year 3 cells field to the values area. Excel will automatically sum the values for each combination of month and region. Now, we have a pivot table that summarizes the Apple sales by month and region for each year. You can see the total sales for each month and region combination. You can further customize your pivot table by applying different styles and formatting. Let's apply a pivot table style from the Design tab. If you want to filter the data, you can drag fields to the filter areas. For example, let's add a filter for region. Now you can filter the pivot table by region to see the sales data for a specific region. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating pivot tables in Excel. By mastering pivot tables, you can easily summarize and analyze large datasets, gaining valuable insights in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know what other Excel features you would like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe to our Word Guide and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.